Hey everyone, super excited to show you and give you a complete walkthrough of a SaaS website that we completed a while back for our client Michael, right? So he runs a junk removal marketing agency, and he shifted to a SaaS, and he wanted to build a SaaS website for himself, right? So it's been a while that we are actually working on the project, and I just wanted to record a quick Loom video for my YouTube guys because you guys love seeing the designs and you take inspirations from that. Really appreciate that. So I thought that I'll record a quick video on that. It's going to be a short video, so a complete walkthrough that you can see what exactly we did and how we did and what exactly was the scope of work, plus how I was thinking about it so that you can take inspiration from it and then do it for your own business. So that's pretty much how it goes, right? So this is actually the company called as Extreme Local, right? And the CEO of that was Michael Duncan. He wanted to get a site built, and he reached out to me over Facebook, and he wanted to get a modified site. The earlier site was pretty basic, probably plugged out from a very generic template, not at all professional, doesn't look like great. But currently, the way it is looks now, it looks top notch. It looks very attractive, and people can't take their eyes off, right? Especially the header section here just looks fantastic. We haven't added the video yet since this is a duplication of that page, right? But this is very clear and very neat, clean as per the branding. We've also taken care a lot about the branding. The logo looks fantastic, and we wanted to make sure that we leverage the brand color that the site has in order for us to actually work on it, right? So yeah, so for example, this is the Extreme Local website, right? So you have the navigation bar on top of it, which we have home, we have pricing, we have contact, we have demo videos because he wanted to get the demo videos upfront and wanted to see what exactly it looks like. So I thought, why not? Let's get the demo videos upfront, book a demo call, right? So for this, it's basically to get our appointment book so that we can give you a live demo. And then, of course, you have the login page here, right? This is was a navigation bar a concept, and based on this, we created a sitemap for our client. So as you can see here, the video section is about the content on the left hand side and the video on the right hand side. This is where you can actually add explainer video showcasing about what exactly is your product is all about. People can understand that, hey, this is my product does. This is how you can help other businesses grow for the specific niche, right? For of course, you're using Go Highlevel as a backend tech stack, right? So a video showcasing all the features of Go Highlevel, right, would be very beneficial. And again, if you see the background here, kind of looks really stunning because we have kind of leveraged the logo very beautifully to make it look that this stunning and beautiful. It kind of looks like a Gucci bag or a Gucci branded SaaS site. This is what the CEO commented here. But anyways, so this is basically a all-in-one marketing solution to catapult your junk removal businesses. Since Michael is more focused towards junk removal businesses, he has a marketing agency towards junk removal businesses, so he wanted to get it done for his SaaS as well. And we're only focusing towards the junk removal businesses as of need, right? And this is basically the subheadline, which kind of shows that what is the value addition for it. So you can automate, dominate, and elevate with Extreme Local. You can start your free trial, or you can book a demo call, right? Here we wanted to showcase some trust badges, which basically means that, hey, this is where we have been featured on. This also showcases our credibility, right? So always it's always appreciated in case you have these kind of logos that you want to add it. Of course, it should be official. So if you have already been featured somewhere, then adding these actually brings up and builds up the credibility for your own business, right? Then you have challenges and issues that people normally face. So let's say do these challenges resonate with your junk removal business? So you're basically directly talking to the visitor itself, who's also a target audience, which are junk removal small businesses, right? And they have a plethora of issues that we actually can solve, which is because a lot of these small businesses work on manual client acquisition, right? They don't have an automated process. It's a very labor intensive manual process that consumes a lot of time for their businesses. Same goes for the missed follow-up, because a lot of these people are literally working on the ground, so they do not really have the time to pick up every single call. So a lot of call goes as mixed call, and if you do not get the opportunity to reach back to them immediately, you're going to miss that deal as well. So that is the reason why mixed call follow-up, which is also called as mixed call text back feature inside Go Highlevel, we want to showcase that as well. Past customer re-engagement, also called as a database reactivation campaigns, can be recreated so people can understand and realize, okay, what exactly is the new offer. So let's say you have a lot of these businesses who also, a lot of these clients, right, who also wants to get their junk removed, but then in case for them to know that, you have to create a campaign for them to do that, and that campaign is called as database reactivation campaign. Online presence maintenance, which basically means that you can have websites, you can have landing pages, appointment booking options, and all of that being created inside their white label account, which is also Go High Level account. Then you also have quality leads, because Go High Level can very easily generate quality leads from landing pages, through forms, through surveys, through appointments, nurture them with automation workflows, stack them, give them offers, opportunity, create opportunities inside your system. You can check the entire thing in the CRM sequence as well, in opportunities and pipeline section. So that's also a great method to showcase that as a issue that people normally face, but we can solve. Then comes inefficient process, which basically means that more of manual issues that people face, don't have a particular fixed space in order to grow their business. So that's exactly what we solve as a system, because we provide them with a sub account which they can use it for their own business, and they can log in, their team members can log in, and they can have everything being hand checked, right? Now comes as the founder itself, right? How basically Michael started from one track to extreme success, which is his journey. I started in 2021 and all of that. So what we normally do is we ask our client to give a particular format. Now the format is important because this is how we generate the story for them, and the story then gets added into the website. So we always recommend, and we always give that kind of snapshot or kind of a template for them to write that story, or just give some points based on those particular segmented approach that we're providing them. And once they understand more about it, they actually give the content, and then we create the copy for them. We also want a good photograph. So this is a great photograph of Michael and her wife and his wife, basically. So this is a great photograph for that, and we wanted to add that as well. Now we wanted to discuss about the features of it, and really worked hard a lot on these customized graphics that we did. And this is what the USP of working with us. We actually give you customized graphic and customized projects, which is super important, right? To in case you want to get your brand and website doing well, right? So discover the power of extreme local. Check how our innovative solutions propel junk removal businesses, right? The first thing is, like, because they do a lot of service agency as well. So they run the Facebook ads, Google ads, all of those for their own clients. So this is basically a SaaS plus service opportunity for them to understand better, right? They not only get the account, but they also get the system plus the service that they can join us for. So for this one, it's going to be pre-qualified Facebook leads. So they generate the premium pre-qualified Facebook leads for junk removal businesses, and these are targeted via Facebook ads, saving them time and money. And also they do an automatic follow-up in order to get the good quality, compelling leads being almost ready to buy, right? The ad expense is directly paid to the Facebook with no hidden charges, so they only charge for the maintenance fee. Apart from that, all the charges are being paid directly to the Facebook account, so there's complete transparency. And what's the best part? They exclusively serve one junk removal company per 30-mile radius, so exclusivity can be maintained. This is the USPs for this particular section, and that's exactly how we wanted him to give us the content, because we want to structure it very well that it looks very nice. Apart from that, you'll also find that the colors here are a bit kind of a gradient matter, because we're using a lot of CSS in order to make it look nicer inside Go High Level, right? And this is, again, you can see the customized photo of this, right? It kind of looks really nice. It kind of has this hover effect as well. Not just that, it's very 3D in nature, because we're adding multiple elements to it, and all of this is 100% customized by our team. So we designed this entire graphic for our client, and by like this, we've designed all the graphics for them actually. I want to show you the next graphic, which is more of reactivating your past customer, which is also called as database reactivation. And one thing that you would be able to note, that this is again 100% customized as per his requirements and his dashboard. So this actually resonates and gives a more personalized feeling. You might not be aware that Go High Level has more than 6 or I think 8,000 SaaS customers. So in case you are planning in order to create a website, you might as well get that customized from us, because that's exactly how you can differentiate yourself from others. If you're using a generic template, then guess what happens? People are not really interested to know more about this, because they probably understand that this is probably a white version of Go High Level, or they have this mindset, hey, I've seen that somebody else, they are providing it cheaper, why should I take it from you? That's exactly where customization and critical effort comes into play. And this is something that you will be able to see here, right? Everything here in the dashboard and all of that is customized as per his branding. And we literally get into the account, take screenshots, improve it, get to our designer, and then we can craft a particular design. This is the way here. It also looks very 3D in nature, right? Because that's how we build it. We want to make it looks very nice and attractive as well. So this is more about their CRM, their database reactivation campaigns and all of that. Which is again a very, very beneficial feature for any kind of home service businesses, because these kind of customers might need their services on a recurring basis or on a frequent basis. So any kind of campaigns that you run in terms of database reactivation can actually help them grow their business. This is a very focused offering. So you will see that a lot of these is actually not just showcasing features but solutions. Because when we showcase solutions, we actually get the end customer to showcase interest, because then they won't really differentiate based on the software. We'll actually see what are the solutions that you provide which can help my business grow. That's exactly what we are going to do here as well. Now, this is the third part, which is a lead generation website. Lead generation websites are specifically designed for customers who are actually looking to get their website built and they do not have it WordPress. We always recommend that, hey, get some funnels and website builds under your Go Highlevel account or your agency account or white label account, because the moment they invest into a good quality website, what happens is they actually tend to stick to your brand or your software more, because they've already done a lot of investment into it, right? So that is the reason why you should always pitch upsell them for a website, for a landing page, for a complete funnel system, so that they can understand, hey, I have a lot of investment into this, might as well pay them and see. And of course you have to give them the software features as well. So this is basically lead generation website, right? Customer converting designs, CRM integrations, right, on the good accessibility with mobile application, all of that is being provided. So that's the best part about creating websites into their own sub account or into their white label. This is what we wanted to focus, and this is actually the Rapid Junk Label is actually the original website that they have created for themselves, right? So it looks very nice. So yeah, we added that as well. Now, automated task follow-up, which basically means the automation features that Go Highlevel provides. Want to highlight that as well, because other than that, you probably want to use different software that really charges a lot, but that is something that is included inside Go Highlevel, and it's actually of top class in nature. So, for example, here, as you can see, you have different form submission, you have FB lead ads, and all of that being submitted here. So, elevate your agency level marketing purposes. For that, you can do mixed call follow up, boost reputation, multi-channel inquiries, schedule promotion. All of that is actually included into this. The next is website chat widget. So this is again a very important feature, because now it can actually grab details and information from directly from the client website. So this is also you want to showcase there. And you can see here from time to time we also showcase the quality of our work. So that's something that we normally take care of as well. So the design looks pretty neat, pretty interesting, and pretty clean actually. So again, kudos to our design team. They do a pretty good job in terms of designing this for our clients. So you have this auto mix just called, MCTV mix called text back feature. Again, all the mockups, you see the quality of the mockup, they look really premium, right? And they basically have a real SMSs being showcased here, which is what is our USP. We want to make sure that this literally looks legit as well as looks premium, so that people can invest the amount of money that you want to charge them, right? Same goes for the appointment confirmation, reminders, sequences, automation, and all of that. Reputation management, review management, all of that is being covered all in one box. We also give them the FAQ option, but just look at the FAQ section, which looks pretty interesting, pretty neat, pretty clean, and pretty premium actually. Right? When you give them the drop down options and everything, so they kind of look really, really stunning for the entire thing to look really well. And then you have the final option here. You can either go for the 14-day free trial or the demo. Again, all of this is actually designed with CSS. So it kind of looks really, really nice on the landing page here. Apart from that, we also have the pricing page where we showcase, hey, you can go for either $299 with the 14-day free trial, or you can go for the $699 with the 14-day free trial. And we have all these features being covered inside it as bonuses, right? Then we also have the demo page where we showcases some of the pre-recorded video that people can see, learn, and then they will be able to get more idea, and then again further decide what they want to do. They want to do a live demo, or they want to probably book a free call. So not just that, this also gets into the mobile mode as well. So because we make sure that every project is 100% mobile optimized, So everything just looks pretty well. As of now, we added this photo, which is just a placeholder, because this can be added and replaced by a video altogether. Now, everything here is 100% mobile optimized that you will be able to see, and looks pretty neat on the mobile version as well, right? So I really like how we have designed it into the mobile version, because more than 90% of the traffic, or almost 80 to 90% of the traffic, comes via mobile. So you want to make sure that this also looks very neat, clean on the mobile interface as well. So that's pretty much all about this funnel that we built for our client. I hope you like it. In case you're interested to know more about our services, go to prithambhadra.com. The link is actually in the description below. You can also go ahead and schedule a call with us here, schedule an appointment. In case if you haven't got started with Go High Level, and if you want to start with Go High Level, you want to learn about Go High Level, and you want to get our premium affiliate bonuses, you can sign up for our for the package of Go High Level directly with our affiliate thing. So you can buy the 97 or 297 or $497, and you'll get a bunch of bonuses that we offer here as as affiliate partner, right? I'll highly recommend you go ahead and check it out. It's a recently built site for exclusively for our Go High Level affiliate. Thank you so much. I hope you are liking this video. I'll stay tuned for that, because we're going to make more videos for such. We're going to also give you very detailed tutorials that you're going to pretty much enjoy feeding yourself. Thank you so much for watching the video. I'll see you soon.